For our final example, load the snippet repetition foreach $key into a fresh code pane and save this into your demo folder as foreach_demo.php. Here we've set up an associative array that maps the index name Surrey to the item value England, the index name Victoria to the item value Australia, etc. Now, the foreach construct says for each element of the array ARR, using each of the index names in turn with the item values in turn, execute the braced code. In this case, some characters, the index name, some more characters, the item value, followed by a break. Let's just check out what this does in the browser. Refresh the demo page and run the script foreach demo. And this echoes exactly what we would expect. The characters, index name, some characters, and the item value for all 4 records. In fact, it's designed to specifically look like the definition of the array. For the second part of this demo, just paste in between the final PHP tag and the final echo, paste in there the second part. We've defined another associative array called array type, which maps an index name of England to the item value county, the index name Australia to the item value state, and so on. This foreach loop operates not on array type, but on the original array ARR. So it says for each member of the array ARR, use its index name, Surrey, with its item value, England. However, the echo statement says get the array type value for the item value in this array. So it says for the first one, get the array type, which is county, for the item value England. Print some characters, print the index name, remember it's working on this array, is in item value. So this should print out the array type of item value, which is England. Array type of England is county. So the county of index name Surrey is in item value England. Let's see. Rerun the foreach loop. We forgot to save it. Remember, if it's in blue, it's not saved. So save the file, refresh it, and there we have the county of Surrey is in England, the state of Victoria is in Australia, the state of Ohio is in the USA, as we expect. Now these constructs, these repetition constructs, particularly while and for each, and particularly for each using the key, enable us to repeat operations on a database in a very efficient and manageable way. A very good understanding of these will be critical to building any data management project. So I would recommend that you go to the training site, this training site, and click on the links to the PHP manual for each one of the repetition constructs, and pay particular attention to not only the formal definition of the construct, but the many examples that follow the definition on each of the pages. And there's a specific page for each one. Go to these sites and reread the formal definition